And special thanks to our friends at ESR who were nice enough to send us their hybrid case with stashed can. This is their classic series, compatible with MagSafe. It has a strong 1500G magnetic lock, military grade protection, tech made easier, designed in the USA. And the back just kind of mentioned some of that other stuff, 3,000 plus usage, fold away stash stand. Now this one's for the iPhone 15 and it's a hybrid case with halo lock. Let's go ahead and open this up. I like that design. Look at that. That's amazing. So inside of the box that's it for the box. Little instruction guide, kind of showing you how to use it. We'll go over that. A little bit of warranty information, a little bit more about their halo lock MagSafe products from ESR. So then inside of this sleeve is a beautiful, completely clear iPhone 15 case. See, it has a halo lock magnetic case, ESR tech made easier, cut out for everything. Let's put it in our iPhone 15. So we just pop it in like so. You got the cutout for your speakers and your USB-C port, your camera cutout as well, your MagSafe connector, power button, volume rockers, and your switch. And it has a little ESR Tech Made Easier branding there, but other than that, it's a clear case and a camera guard icon here. But what's so cool is the kickstand. So you can just pull it out like that, and then you have a kickstand. Like, I've seen and had a lot of cases that have kickstands, but none of them have been this cool. I mean, to me, that is just perfect for a kickstand design to be put around the camera module due to it already being a thicker area of the phone. It just makes it a lot better, I think. And I genuinely really, really like that design. Opens up nice and easy, closes back nice and easy. Very, very cool. So you can open up your kickstand, watch whatever you want, and then when you're done with it, just close it and now it's back to normal. I think that will do it for this ESR hybrid case with stash stand. Thanks again to ESR who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.